Have you guys been using the Character AI app and wondering on how to delete chat on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete chats in the Character AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Character AI app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to delete chat, here you can find the recent chats just right here. Now to delete one of these, simply tap onto one of the character just like this. And after that, tap onto its profile icon just right here. And here you can find there is no any button that you can tap onto to delete the chats. Now to delete the chats, you can simply tap onto hide character just right here. Now tap on it and tap onto yes. And after doing that, the chat will be hide. And now you can see the chat has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can delete chats in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.